A configuration can be selected when inserting a part into an assembly or changed afterwards. This assembly is available with or without a configurable foam insert. The foam insert part has configurations for different types of cargo. To insert a specific configuration into an assembly, expand the pull-down menu next to the part, select the appropriate parameters, click Generate, and select the newly generated part. After the foam insert is placed and mated, the assembly needs to be configured to allow variation of the insert. This case is available with or without a foam insert. To control suppression, create a checkbox input and name it Foam Insert with the default value checked on. This ensures a foam insert is present by default. Right-clicking on the foam insert displays a menu and Configure Suppression with Foam Insert is selected. Once added, the insert is now displayed inside the foam insert table within the configuration flyout. Uncheck the corresponding checkbox inside the foam insert table to suppress the foam insert when unchecked inside the configuration selector. The foam insert is available with or without cutouts. Another checkbox input to control cutout suppression is created and named No Cutout with the default value unchecked. This ensures cutouts are present by default. Right-clicking on the foam insert displays a menu and Change Configuration is selected. Right-click on No Cutout and select Configure with No Cutout. Once added, the foam insert is now displayed inside the No Cutout table. Check on the corresponding checkbox inside the No Cutout table to unsuppress the foam insert cutouts when checked on inside the configuration selector. There are multiple slot widths available for the foam insert. A list input is the best way to display the available options. Create a list input and name it Slot Width. Add additional configurations for each available width to the table. Right-click on the foam insert and select Change Configuration. Right-click on Slot Width and select Configure with Slot Width. Once added, the foam insert is now displayed inside the slot width table. Update the table to reflect the correct width for each configuration using the pull-down menus. The cutouts are available in any depth from 3 inches through 8 inches. Create a configuration variable named Slot Depth to set the desired cutout depth. Select Length as type and enter the following parameters: default of 8 inches, minimum of 3 inches, and maximum of 8 inches. Right-click on the foam insert and select Change Configuration. Right-click on Slot Depth and select Set to Slot Depth. Select Generate and accept the dialog. The configuration selector displays the inputs created: 2 checkboxes, a list, and a configuration variable. Each input controls parameters listed in the corresponding table within the configuration flyout. To activate a specific configuration, select it from each of the inputs. The assembly updates accordingly. The active configuration is also indicated inside the configuration flyout by a blue highlight.